All right, good day, viewers. Today we'll be looking at Neco question. Neco question. Okay, this is 2025 Neco. This is 2025 Neco. So 2025 Neco chemistry questions. So we have some questions on the board. So question number 1 says, what mass in gram of oxygen is required? Mass in gram of oxygen is required. Then you write solution without wasting time. Solution. So it's required for the complete combustion. So I will quickly write mass of oxygen equals to unknown. Of oxygen required for complete combustion of 11 gram of butane. So mass of butane is 11.6 gram of butane. Okay, now they gave us the equation and the equation is balanced. So they say A 6.4, B 11.6, C 20.8, D 41.6, E 208. All right, so first thing first here, we need to calculate the molar mass of butane. So molar mass of butane. So let's quickly look for the molar mass. So we said that C is C4, H10 is equals to, C is 12, is given here, C is 12, 12 times 4 plus 10 times 1 is 10. So let me quickly, so we have 12 times 4 plus 10, we have 58 gram per mole. So I will say mole is equals to mass over molar mass, which is equals to the mass of butane is what? 11.6 over the molar mass of butane is 58. 11.6 divided by 58. So this one is giving me 0.2 mole of butane. So from this is stoichiometry. This is stoichiometry. So from the equation, I would say that 2 mole of butane was reacted with 13 mole of oxygen. So 0.2 mole of butane will give me H. So I'm looking for the mole of oxygen before I can now find the mass in gram of oxygen. So let me apply this one now. From the equation above, I will say that 2 mole of butane, 2 mole of butane reacted with 13 mole of oxygen. So 0.2 mole of butane, the one I calculated here, will give me S mole of oxygen. So cross multiply, if you cross multiply, we have 2x is equals to what? 0.2 times 13, we have 2.6. Divide both sides by 2. So we have 2.6 divided by 2, and we have 1.3 mole of what? Of oxygen. So I've gotten the mole of oxygen. But the question says what mass in gram? So I will now say mole is equals to mass over molar mass. Then mass is equals to what? Mole times molar mass. What is the molar mass of oxygen gas? Is 32. So it will now be mass of oxygen. Is mass of oxygen gas is to be mole is 1.3 times molar mass. I just said is 32. So which is equals to 1.3 times 32, which is 41.6 gram of oxygen. So our answer is D. All right, we move on to the next one. What is the IUPAC name of the compound below? So I have to count from here because looking at the compound, the double bond here is closer to this side. So I have to count from here because we are giving preference to the double bond here. So we have 1, 2, 3. I can still count 1, 2, 3. But whichever way I count, the longest chain here is 3, which is propane. So I will just take this one 1, 2, 3. So because I'm having a double bond here, I won't call it propane anymore. I have to call it what? Propene, because this is an alkene compound. So this is 1, 2. So this is going to be 2-methyl. Okay, this is 1, 2. This is 2-methyl 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propene or 2-methyl prop 1 in. So 2-methyl propane, 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl prop 1 in. This is the correct option. That is how you answer that question. I hope it's very simple and clear. So the last one is, the last question here is, what is the value of X in the equation below. Now, this is redox reaction. This one is introduction to organic chemistry. This one is stoichiometry, introduction to organic chemistry. And here is redox reaction. This is balancing of redox reaction in acidic media. All right, you can watch my video on this. I have video where I explain everything here in my channel. Okay, now what is the value of S in the equation below? Now this is how you do it. It's very simple. So we have the charge we have here is -2, right? Here is 14. Here is -2. So it will now be 14 minus 2. That is 12, right? So 12. Now we have 2 times 3 is what? It's 6. Like I told you, this arrow here means minus. So 2 times 3 is 6. So this is the 6 here. So we have 14. 14 minus 2 is 12 minus 6. So we have 6. Then you are going to add this 6 to the side with higher charge. If you check here, we have 14 minus 2, we have 12 here. Here we have 2 times 3, we have 6 here. So 12 is higher than 6. So we are adding it to this side. So we are going to add this 6 to this side. So x here becomes what? 6. That is the answer to that one. So if you like content like this, please follow my channel for more educative content like this. Thank you and remain blessed. If you are writing JAMB next year, please click the link in my bio to join my WhatsApp class for free. Click the link in my bio to join my WhatsApp chemistry class for free.